Now, some of you may have spotted a little glitch in the data that I was fixing in the last video, where we still had a few errors in our data, which is again another common mistake that we find, which is the mistake number 5, and that is you have unrecognized or corrupt characters. Looking at our Excel sheet, we can see that this little bit over here is still text because it's got these hash characters which are unrecognized, and that makes this data different from the rest of the data. So let's just fix that by deleting the special characters, and you will notice that I have something similar going on in the country field. So my country field has int hash hash, it has US at and over here. So let's quickly fix that as well. So I'm moving that to India, and again I'm picking up the USA value and replacing these characters with that, and that will fix our corrupt characters.